What is up, guys? It's Neon Flame here. Today we are playing a bit more Clash Clans, and I'm recording right. So I really want to do a bit of this, but it's like 50,000 to actually do something. And yeah, I've tried doing that, but oh no, Wi-Fi no. Still recording it. Right. Please work. I'll have to exit. And back on. Here we go. Please. Right. I think somebody told me, I can't remember who said it was, but to try and upgrade the barracks. Yeah, I do want to, but it takes ages. And I don't really need that. Like, I don't really need a second one. And can I buy anything? Oh, I can buy another barracks, but I don't need one. I can buy more walls, don't need them. I can buy another builder set, don't need one. I can buy another shield, but don't need one. What I do want is an archer queen or a grand warden or a barbarian king. What I do want actually, what I do want is resources, is an elixir trail. I need to upgrade my town hall, which then takes loads of money. Which I need 140 for gems. If only I could just buy that. If only. Let's edit delay. What have I got now? Oh. Done. Actually. Yeah, why is that not there? Because yeah, why is that not there? Yeah, why was that still there? I think I'm actually... Should I download Clash Clans? Should I not download Clash Clans? It's a good game, but it's your choice. I have no idea how to spell choice. Choice, there we go. Yes, good going. Replacing. Wi-Fi again. God. It should be fine here. Well, what do you think? If I were you, I would. Did I seriously just send that? Oh my god. And I have the mortar in the middle that like surrounds everything. It's 32,000. I really want to upgrade that. And I will. Alright then, I'm good. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. There we go. There's no light I can show you. The dark one I haven't seen. It's got loads of these guys and graves. Just looked like he's been attacked. Why would you do that? Why? I have no idea. Alright, let's return home. Oh, I'm stuck. What's going on? Oh, there we go. I would battle, but don't have anything to battle with. Excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. Oh god. That hurt. That really hurts. I'm going to sneeze again. God. Great channel if you do this. 2 hours. No. Save up for that little fella there. Because when you upgrade it, what is it? So range 4 to 11 tiles. That's far. That's very far. But you know it's like got 2 rings. It's because the ring in like the blank space in the middle it can't get in there because it's too far in. P.S. I'll subscribe to you. Thanks. Oh god, I got runny nose. What are you doing over there? Where are you going? Who are these people? Why are you here? I have my questions. Wait, what? 2 tag mate. Also, it's done. You did not see that word, Daddy. None of you said nothing. Let's speed it up 4 times. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. And he won.
You doing a what?
Video.
You doing a video?
Cullen, shut up! Right, return.
Why are you in the hallway? Ow, I'm being beaten.
Go away, Cullen! Cullen! Go away! Cullen! Just go! Aw, that's annoying. Can't get that. Why can't I? Why can't I Why can't I do it? Why are you speaking to you? Go away. Wait, what? Connect, please. or naked? What does this mean? What do you mean? What's so good about? Oh, I don't care if I'm signed up with Google Download. Should you next? Oh, somebody give me something, please. Don't get how people get it to like crystal, like that must take so. Oh no! Yeah, take it out, Add them in. I really want to like make a little trap so it's like, oh, come in here, bombs! Or like a spring pad, and then put bombs at the end, so put bombs and then a spring pad. I can actually do that, but bomb and spring pad, look, spring pads, spring trap. Air defense. Actually, we're trying to get that, aren't we? Anyone in there, Jim? Is anyone in there?
Go upstairs in the bedroom.
Bye, my love. Okay, because I don't get any Wi-Fi. I don't get no Wi-Fi. I get no Wi-Fi. Ooh, free Wi-Fi. Ah, Wi-Fi. Stone. Stone. It is the lovely stone. What is... She's clapping your hands at a rock. She's like, oh, look, a rock. Yay, there's a rock, and just like claps her hand at it. That is so weird. What are you doing? Where are you going? Yeah, she claps at trees as well. She clap at everything they see. It's like, oh, look, a tree. So weird. Look, the ocean blue. And then you should see a mermaid or a whale. As big blonde whale. Where are you going? You're going to clap your hands at some rock? Oh, or just be, or just have springboards and like jump 10 feet in the air. What is it with clapping your hands at trees? Like, come on, tree, move along. It's so weird. You're a tree. You're a tree. You've got someone to take down. You're going to clap your hands. Clap your hands at a tree. No, you're going to clap your hand at that big rock. Yep, she's going to clap her hands. Good, that's really weird. Ow, sugar. When did I start? 18 and 05. Well, I think that does it for this episode, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.